Hey everyone, Noah here with Full Balance Fitness, and in our video today we'll be sharing the top 2 home hamstring exercises, and we'll also be doing a crazy arm wrestling match with LumberJack Mack. All of that and more right after this.
What is a ghost favorite exercise? Deadlifting!
That's really good. That is good. Well, speaking of which, we're going to go into some awesome hamstring exercises today. Guys, I'm here with my wife Elizabeth as our co-star. And our question for today comes from Robert6890. And he asks, what protein-packed food is highest in protein, but lowest in calories? All right, so the first thing I would say, and this might sound kind of like a generic answer, but I got to tell you it's true. Whey protein shakes. Whey protein shakes, very low in calories. And if you can get something where it's just the whey protein, this is going to be a great option and you get a lot of protein. Then if you're willing to put in a little more time and you want something that's solid food, I'd suggest doing turkey bites. She made them in one of our last videos. I'll include that in the description below. And the other thing would be eggs. And with eggs, you can fry them, you can boil them, and just have a huge bowl of boiled eggs all ready for you. And then as far as someone who wants to be a vegetarian or vegan, we're going to make a video about that real soon as well. So please make sure you're subscribed, have notifications on, and we'll go into that in a future video. Next up, let's go into the crazy arm wrestling workout with LumberJack Mack.
Oh no.
LumberJack Mack here with the top 2 exercises to get you lumberjacked.
Red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
All right, Noah. Today's workout is going to be much more epic and a lot less dangerous than last time. No more of that bullcrap we had going on.
Okay.
Today's first workout is pull-ups, but us lumberjacks, we do them in nature. We don't need no sissy straight bars. We're doing it on the tree. All right, let's show you how it's done. I want you to do 10 on this wobbly tree. It's your turn.
All right. 10 you say?
10.
Okay. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 5 more. 5 more, or you get this axe.
Ah,
Come on.
yeah,
Come on.
he's a hard coach.
Come on.
Ah, ah,
1 more. Come on. Come on.
ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, those weren't easy, were they?
Next up, arm wrestling. You ready?
You ready?
Go.
Getting a little red there, LumberJack Mack.
As red as your nose is right now. I don't think so. Not today. Sorry, were you trying to win?
How did that go?
My shoulder still hurts.
Oh no.
But it's okay though. It was worth it.
That's good.
That down, let's go into the top 2 hamstring and glute workouts that you can do from home. The first exercise we'll be doing will be a lunge focused on the hamstrings. Here's how you do it. So obviously on a typical lunge, you would just go straight down to the floor and then power back up with really vertical posture. Here's what you do with a hamstring lunge. You go ahead and you go down and you'll lean forward slightly, hinging at your hips. And as you do this, you're stretching that hamstring. You can even exaggerate it at the bottom. Push your glutes out and then power back up. One more time. And right back up. Obviously, you can use dumbbells for this as well, and that's how you do it. The second exercise is for the hamstrings and glutes. And the neat thing about this is a lot of times when you're working out from home, it's hard to target the hamstrings. It's hard to target the glutes. And a lot of times it's because we don't have heavy enough equipment to be able to push these muscles appropriately. So in place of using dumbbells, I've got a resistance band here. They do a lot of this in physical therapy, a lot of rehab exercises for the hips. What you want to do is you want to step forward a bit to where you feel some good resistance here. And you want to just go down like on a deadlift. Stretch your hamstrings. Notice my back is straight here. Go down. And then as you come up, drive the hips forward and squeeze your glutes. One more. Go down. And back up. And that's how you do it.
Hello! Recipe time! Yay! Today I made breakfast burritos. I know how crazy schedules can be and work, and we're always looking for that quick grab and go. These burritos are quick and easy, and you can prep them ahead. So you can just grab and go. And they have the nice protein kick that you need. Now, I used all kinds of eggs, and instead of pork, I will use turkey with a little bit of cheese. I'll leave the recipe in the description below. And now into inspiring story.
The year was 2023, and I was training with my client Laura, and she mentioned how she was nervous because she was about to do a trip via horseback. And she was afraid that her hips would be too tight to be able to effectively get on and off the horse. And so we ended up going crazy over the next couple of weeks. We ended up setting a bench out, and she would just practice repeatedly swinging her leg over and swinging it back over and over. It felt like a scene from The Karate Kid. And so the great thing was, a couple days after she got back, we trained again, and she was so happy. She was able to go the entire trip, had no issues, and she claimed that it went as well as it did, and she did well getting on and off the horse because we repeatedly practiced that motion.
Well, that's great. I think I remember you telling me this story. But it's always a good thing to know to stretch, especially towards something that you haven't experienced or done before, so it can be easier for you later.
Very true. Very true. Guys, we really appreciate you sticking around today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps the channel. Please comment below a question for next week's episode, and we'll look forward to addressing it there. Thanks so much, guys.
Bye!
God bless.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle. This is my sponsors. Bloopers!
This is a good position. Your fly's up. Mm-hmm. Mine is too. Cool.
No, yours is down.
Oh, cool. Oh, boy. Hi, bro.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, you?
This thing's really bitter.
Just like you. All right, good. Let's move on to the top 2 home hamstring and glute workouts that you can do. That you can do from home. Dang it.
Hello, I'm Leah. Nice to meet you. I'm part of the podcast now. Hi.
It might sound... Dang it.
Gather your thoughts. Gather.
We'll include the video in the link below. The video in the link below. That's what you did in your cooking.
We had a lot of stuff to do. We gotta get ready for the new couch. We had the new dresser.
Why are you telling the audience?
I'm not really telling the audience. You're the one that hit play.